Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, we were going through Squarespace in 2026, but suddenly the page isn't found. Well, seeing a page isn't found is probably from a saving problem, a connection, network problem, or even just a login issue. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually fix this type of issues fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. But first and first, we're gonna open our device, make sure we are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go and look for Squarespace, login or Squarespace, tap on this website, then go and use your email address and password to access the website or the dashboard basically. So the dashboard gonna look like this, home dashboard. It's here where we usually edit our website. We're gonna tap on edit pages, switch to the desktop view. Then go to pages here and see if they are fully linked or available. Tap on this button here. Make sure you enable the pages as seen. Enable them all. Enable the pages on each. Enable the page. Make sure there is no password. Then check the link for spelling errors. Set the page to public, not hidden also. And add a 301 redirect if the link was changed. Well, that's the main idea as I told you before. Make sure everything is looking good. Make sure every page isn't hidden. But if you are still seeing this type of problems, you should contact the support immediately. Send them screenshots. And basically they're gonna help you in no time. So thank you all for watching. And I will see you all in the next video.